Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
There are a few different ways to join a meeting in Teams. How you join will depend on who created the meeting, where the meeting is taking place, whether or not you have a Teams account, and how the meeting details were communicated to you. To join a meeting that has been scheduled into your calendar, click the Calendar button in the app bar. Use the calendar's navigation controls to locate the meeting and then click it to select it. If the meeting has already started, you can instead click the Join button that appears within the meeting in the calendar window. If it hasn't started, you can simply click the meeting to select it and then click the Join button to start the meeting. If the meeting is within a channel, then the invitation to join and meeting details appear within the channel itself on its Posts tab. If the meeting has already started, you can click the Join button that appears over the meeting. To start the meeting, click the meeting, and then click the Join button in the Meeting Details window instead. If the meeting has already begun and you have participated in a chat attached to that meeting, the chat and meeting will appear in your recent chat list. Click the Chat button in the app bar, select the meeting in your chat list, and then click the Join button that appears at the top of the chat window. If you've been invited to a meeting via a Teams notification and link, click the Click Here to join the meeting link within the meeting invitation. In the web page that opens, select to either join the meeting on the web or download the desktop app. If you already have the Teams app, then the meeting will open there automatically. If you don't have a Teams account and the meeting organizer has set permissions to allow it, you can enter your name to join the meeting as a guest. If you do have a Teams account, select Sign In to join using your account. Depending on the meeting organizer's settings, you may be able to join the meeting right away, or you might have to go to the lobby where people in the meeting can admit you to the meeting. If you are not able to use the Teams app or Teams on the web, you can join some meetings by calling a phone number, depending on the settings of the organization and Teams. If there's a phone number and conference ID in the meeting invitation, dial the number and follow the prompts to join the meeting by telephone. Like a call, when you join a meeting in Teams, it will open in its own window with the Meeting Controls toolbar docked at the top with its familiar tools, as well as tools specific to meetings. You can still use Teams and other apps while you are participating in a meeting. Just click outside the meeting to perform your desired tasks. Note that if you minimize a meeting window, it will instead appear in the bottom corner of your screen while you perform other tasks. To return to the meeting window in its larger view, hover over the small window until your mouse pointer turns into a hand icon, and then click.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.